Hello, David here, and the project for today is installing a screen protector on a cell phone. This cell phone happens to be an iPhone 6. If you might remember my last video, I installed the display because the display was cracked and broken. Put a new display on it, and I will put the link to that up at the top over here. The procedure should be the same for just about any smartphone. This is what I'm using. I'm using the JetTech tempered glass screen protector. I don't know if these screen protectors are tempered glass or if they're plastic. I'm not going to test it to find out. They're supposed to be clear and hard. The main thing is it's going to protect your display from getting scratched. Whether it will keep your display from breaking when you drop the phone, I don't know. That remains to be seen. I'm sure it will provide some level of protection, but if you're going to drop it from a high distance onto concrete, I'm sure everything's going to crack. Best case scenario is if you drop it, the screen protector will crack and the display won't crack. It's a lot easier to replace these screen protectors than it is to replace the display. So let's see what comes in the box. Instruction booklet, 3 kits for replacing the screens, warranty card, and there are 3 screens. That's what they look like. Okay, let's get started. Take out one installation kit and 1 screen. Okay, there are 2 hinge stickers. They go on the back of the phone. It says stick down lightly. Two hinges on the back, and then flip the phone over. Get the screen out of the protective pouch. The screen says back. This sticker helps remove the mask from the screen guard. So to get the screen guard off, you just pull the tab on that sticker, but it's not time to do that yet. We're just going to line up the screen protector. Got to line up the home button hole, but most importantly line up the camera hole and the speaker hole. Get that centered. Okay, I think I got it. Bring forward the hinge labels. See how that lines up. Not satisfied with the top. Got to go over. That's better. Try it again. I also bring the home button over a little more too. Okay, better. Now we're going to put the screen lifter sticker on. Kind of like a doorknob. Okay, open it. Open up a cleaning wipe. Clean the screen of your phone really good. Dirt will cause an air bubble. Can't have any dirt on there. Wipe it with the provided towel. Any dust left behind gets picked up with the dust removal sticker. Okay, now for the nervous part. I'm going to remove the protective layer from the back of the screen protector. Holding the hinge door. I'm going to slowly lower it down. If you do get an air bubble, just lift the corner closest to the air bubble and then slowly lower it. I'm going to use a plastic card just to press it down. Going from the center outward. I turned it on because maybe I could see bubbles better with the screen on. I don't see any bubbles. Take the hinges off. Don't lift so hard that you lift up on the screen protector. Might be better if you remove it from the front of the camera. Okay, I do see a small bubble right here. And right there. Okay, got that one. That one went away too. A little one over there. Okay, just push it out. Okay, I think that's it. Let's see how the touchscreen works. Yeah, touchscreen works fine. I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.